Think you know the strongest animal? Let's find out. At number 5, the snake. These slithery creatures can squeeze with over 300 pounds of pressure. Number 4, the killer whale. These ocean giants can take down sharks. Third, the polar bear. One swipe of their paw can crush a skull. At number 2, the tiger. Their powerful legs can leap 30 feet. And finally, the king of the jungle, the lion. Their roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. Which one's your favorite?